Ready to see how a small start can lead to something amazing? Watch this snowball. Picture this: a small snowball perched at the top of a snowy hill. It starts rolling slowly, just like your first steps in any venture. As it moves, it picks up more snow, growing larger with every turn. Imagine those added snowflakes as little successes, each one building on the last. Soon the snowball picks up speed, momentum carrying it forward. You see dollar signs and upward arrows appearing within the snow, symbolizing growth and progress. Words like momentum and success subtly form, showing the journey of transformation. By the time it reaches the bottom, it's a massive, unstoppable snow boulder. Just like that snowball, your dreams can grow into something huge if you keep pushing forward. Keep rolling, keep growing, and watch your success become unstoppable.